So for Model RealTime 12.1.5, we have improved our Clang-tidy support. So there is another check called bugprone-branch-clone that now are not giving any warnings for generated code. We have also included support in our TargetRTS for wide characters. So you can use the primitive type wchar_t and also arrays of wide characters. The art exporter has a brand new version, actually 2.1.1. I think it is so new, so it's actually being published as we speak. And the main news in that version is that now it's possible to export the layout of state diagrams so that you can preserve the appearance of state diagrams in Model RealTime models when you are exporting them to Code RealTime. But there were also several other improvements and bug fixes that we did based on feedback from ongoing migration projects. Then we have continued to work on tracing improvements. And this, by the way, of course, also applies to Code RealTime, since this is something that we do in the target runtime system. That is the common for both Model and Code RealTime. And as you will see in the demo, we now support trace configurations, which is a JSON file that you can give as input to your application by means of a new command line argument called -traceconfig. And in that trace configuration, you can, for example, turn on the capturing of timestamps. And you can have one timestamp captured when a message is received and another one when the message is handled. And there are many interesting use cases for those timestamps. One is that you can use it as a simple way of analyzing performance of which state machine transitions are slow. We also included some additional information that was missing before, for example, the ports of the sender and the receiver. And we have also open sourced the parser of these art trace files, which makes it possible to write your own scripts that can analyze them and also translate them into other trace formats that I will show you also in the demo.